Hello, this is Zainab. I'm here to tell you my experience about how yoga and fitness has helped me. Yoga and fitness has really helped me for my general well being. It has helped me over the years to stay fit, and my weight had plateaued for a very, very long time. And gradually getting back into yoga and fitness, it has helped me lose some inches and feel lighter. I have kept the yoga and exercising and walking. I've continued that since a very long time. But I feel yoga is best done with a trainer or an instructor so that they can check our postures and they can also help with the breath work. The the breath work at the end which they do, that is really, really helpful. It helps you to keep your stress levels in control. So I feel that after a certain age, doing yoga and keeping yourself fit and exercising is very, very important. Thank you.